upset because my husband went to the store and she didn't get the ride. So she was so upset. She thought she was going. Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. So I just got up, made my coffee. I don't even think it's 8 o'clock yet. When my husband comes home, he wakes me up so doggone early. Okay, so anyway, we're trying to get out in the yard today. We're going to get in the garden today. We're going to get some more plants going. So our videos moving forward, we still going to be decorating the house and all of that. But it's coming into the time of the year that we do a lot of outside stuff. So with the occasional home decor, I may show you a few things. I'm not going to be buying a lot of home decor. I'm going to be spending my money on more things that we can use to be self-sufficient in case things take a turn for the worse. That's what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to still do some home decor, but I won't be spending a lot of my money on that. We buying things that we necessarily have to have. So my husband did order my treadmill for me. So I got my walking pad. It'll be here Friday. My birthday is Thursday. So that's perfect because I'll get to start using it and actually prayerfully get this weight under control, y'all. By weight, I do mean get down below this 170 mark that I have been fighting to get it below. So anyway, I'm going to pull you all back up. Once I get up and get dressed right now, I'm going to sit here and just drink my coffee and watch a little TV till he gets back. Okay? Stay tuned. All right, guys. So this is what I'm putting on today. It's just my little shirt. It's so big, y'all. But I like wearing stuff like this around the house. So I got my little shirt, my little gray legging pants. If Bella will move. Bella, please move. Got my blue shoes to kind of like match. So that way, if we decide to run out today, I'm decent enough to run on out with my husband. And I won't get left behind because when my husband said he ready to go, he ready to go. And, you know, whenever we're working in the yard, a lot of times we may run to Lowe's, stop and pick up this, run and do that. So, yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So I've gotten up, I've gotten dressed. So Bells and I are just sitting here waiting on my man to get back. So he's looking for a particular tool. So, yeah, so the sun is out. It's Saturday. Bells, where you going? Yeah, so the sun is out. It's Saturday. So I need to go put my watch on because that's going to keep a count of my steps for the day. And I need to go up here and make this bed, y'all. I ain't done nothing yet. I need to put a little clothing machine. My husband leaves out in the morning at 4 a.m. He's a long haul truck driver. So he's a trucker. So normally I'm home alone, me and Bells, all week till he gets back, which is fine. I'm used to it now, you know. He was doing that when we were dating, so it's nothing new. I'm a trucker's wife, and I enjoy every moment of it. I enjoy every moment of it. But my daughters will be here, or my daughter will be here today. She's coming down to get her pictures made. My baby sister is doing her photos. And, of course, I will be meeting them there. So, anyway, yeah, so we're going to go up there whenever they get in town. They're coming from Smyrna. So, it's a good little ride for them. So, right now, Bells is having a fit. She don't know where my husband is, and when he gets home, she's just like, I'm supposed to be glued to his side. She thinks she's supposed to be glued to his side from the moment he gets here until he leaves out, which is understandable, I guess, because she doesn't see him that often. So today we are going to get in the garden. My husband did pick me up some herb seeds that we're going to be planting, that we're going to be putting out. So today I got to wash a load of clothes for my husband. And I gotta, I go up there and make my bed. I'll probably take my little robot vac up there today to vacuum, or if I don't, I'll just vacuum upstairs myself. So yeah, so anyway, I will pull you all back up in a bit, so you all stay tuned. When we get in the garden, I'll pull you back up, okay? All right. You can always tell when my husband's home because he always leaves something. This needs to be upstairs, and I'm getting ready to wash his uniforms. And then let me show you some of the seeds that we got when he went out to Lowe's. He got more than seeds, y'all. This here is, what is this for? I think these are the latches for the little cabin over here. This little pantry that we have standing here. This little pantry door will not stay closed. So I think he's going to put these on here so to stay closed like that. These are little magnets. So that's what we bought that for. I'm going to put our sausage on. This morning for breakfast, we're going to have this bacon and cheddar sausage. We're going to have that. But these are the seeds here. Now, I already had this here, sage for my herb bed. I have some mammoth dill and lemon basil. But I wanted something else. This ain't got hardly nothing in it. But these are oregano. I told him to get the cilantro. We have some thyme. We have some more of this dill. Now, these are two different dills because this is the mammoth dill and this is the fern leaf dill. So two dill. We're even going to try these garlic chives. And we have rosemary. And then we also have regular sweet basil. Now, the basil I had last year was a lemon basil. So I'll have two varieties this year. So we're going to try and get these planted out today. This is my husband's little seed starting kit. And this filter here we bought for the upstairs unit. And it's a little too big. So I got to take that back and get it smaller. But right now, I want to clean up my box and go ahead and line up all my drinks in there. I still have some drinks in this box. I need to empty this box, this one, and this one. And, but right now I'm going to get our sausage on. And then we'll go upstairs and start, hold on, hold on, y'all. So I'm getting ready to get our sausage put on. And then when I'm done with the sausage, we're going to go upstairs so that we can start, washing up these clothes because my husband will be leaving out tomorrow and he needs his clothing. All right, let's find a little tray. Hold on. I told you all my husband ordered my treadmill, so it will be here. It says next Friday, which is a day after my birthday, which is fine. So excited for that. My daughter is coming today, and so with her coming down today, we're gonna go to, she's taking me out to eat, me and my husband, because both of our birthdays are in the same month. So yeah, so that's what she's coming to do after the pictures. She's coming home to mama, and we're gonna go out today and possibly get something to eat. No, I'm just gonna cook all three. There we go. Okay, we're just gonna do it that way. And then we can have an extra sausage because my husband said he's hungry. So we probably won't eat anymore since we're gonna eat breakfast now. And then my daughter is taking us out to eat tonight or this afternoon after they're done with their pictures. So that's what we're gonna probably do. So I'm gonna put these in the air fryer. We're gonna air fry these for about what you need, sweetie. All right, guys, so we have gotten the sausage on. I'm getting ready to go upstairs. My husband is leaving him Bill's because he's got to go and find the tool that he needs to try and fix his boat. I just finished my coffee. So I'm going to have sausage and eggs this morning. My husband don't do eggs. But wow, let me get this shirt because I'm going to go up here and put in his laundry for the week. So I'll get this all washed up and I need to charge my phone. And then I'll pull you all back up because my phone needs charging. It's Saturday morning. I need to put me on something to wear. I'm going to meet my daughter, which I don't want to dress up. I'm going to meet my daughter. Hold on, I'm going to sit y'all right here. I'm going to meet my daughter to have her photo shoot for her wedding pictures. So I'm going to meet her and her husband. And so what I would probably do, let's see, I got to wash these. And I need to do this whole room, y'all. So I need to make my bed. So let me get the bed made. Then I'll pull y'all back up, okay? Stay tuned. All right, guys, so I've gotten dressed. So we're supposed to be meeting my daughter today. So I'm going to just wear this right here. This is what I'm wearing. We're going out just to get a lunch. I'm not changing my hair. I may do some edges, slick up the back or something, but this is what I'm going to wear. I love this little outfit here. I ordered this off of Shein. When I saw these pants, I just fell in love with them. Love, love, love the pants. Let me step up a little closer so you can see it. So this is what I'm wearing today. Just a simple, casual, comfortable outfit. So I'm going to keep this on. So when I go and meet them, then we're going straight out to get some lunch. Got to convince the man to go because Patrick is out there saying he's working on his boat. And when he's doing stuff like that, he don't like to stop. So we may end up just bringing him back a meal. So we shall see. All right. All right, guys. So I am downstairs now. Hubby is not back yet. So I'm trying to check on our sausages. So I think they're done. So anyway, let me get the sausages out. My husband's not back, but I got to go and meet her in a little bit. So I want to get his breakfast and get me something to eat. Ooh, look at these sausages. Ooh, they look so good. Hold on. I think that they are good and done. Hope they are. So I'm going to let them cool for a minute. And then I'm going to also check and see where the hubby is. So I'm going to call him. So I'll pull you all back up in a bit, okay? Once I go upstairs, I'm going to put on a little light makeup. I'm going to probably wear my hair just like this. I'll probably slick up the back, do my edges, and then I'll pull you all back up, okay? Stay tuned. I have on this outfit here. These little pants are to die for. I love them. This is the little shirt here. I have on my bracelets, my bag, my own clouds, the light gold jewelry. Because when we leave my daughter, we are going to eat for my birthday and my husband's birthday. So we are meeting them there. We're going out after her photo shoot. So I think I look good. I think I'm comfortable looking for today. So, all right, put y'all back up. All right, guys, so we are here at my daughter's photo shoot. It is so pretty. Look at this. Look at this. We are on like 94 acres out here. So they're practicing getting their pictures taken. And while they're doing that, I'm looking brown. I see.
What are you doing?
I'm recording my vlog. Thank you, Eddie. Thank you. Tell her. Yeah, so anyway, let me step back. I want to show y'all the little benches. Now, if you wanted to use this place, you could actually, look at this. You got the little benches and you got a cross. You could get married right out here up under the tree. Isn't that beautiful? Let me turn you around. Hold on. Isn't this beautiful, y'all? Look at that. So we're going to actually have my daughter, she's getting pictures made up under this tree for now. And then we have all of this other acreage, other areas we can use. There's a beautiful vineyard over there and everything. So let me get back over here so I can be a part of what's going on, and then I'll pull you all back up. Look at, tell me that is not a beautiful tree. This tree is perfect. I told my baby we should get on this branch over here and take some pictures. I bet that'll be some pretty pictures. Look how this branch just swooped down. It is begging to be sat on. It's begging to be sat on. Look at that. I bet that will make a beautiful, beautiful picture. Oh my goodness. I hope they come over here and get some. See how pretty this tree is? This is actually, and then if you span, y'all, look how pretty this is. That is absolutely beautiful. I mean, I love it out here. And look at all the landscape, y'all. Now that's a chapel over there because I looked at it online, so it has a lot to offer. There's like a little bridge over there, and we have water back here. Just absolutely beautiful. So we're going to see what we're going to get into today. I may snap a few pictures and bring you all along. Okay, so stay tuned.